VIP coming live from the VIP. Heard the nightlife, lost life without me. Both the feds in the state wanna see about me. The whole.
What?
There's a Black Panther at Mount Biwa.
Oh yeah. Stop it.
It was in the paper, I meant it's real.
It is real. Should we go back?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a stakeout.
Is it as real as the Maroochydore crocodile?
Well, I haven't seen the crocodile, but I've seen the Black Panther.
Here's the thing, Kyle. I've never seen a platypus.
I'm pretty sure.
You gotta step it up.
Morning, folks. What we got here today is a 1937 oak bush.
Oh yeah, that's really cool.
No, what is an oak bush?
This oak bush.
Okay, we are all on the walk to Kondalilla Falls.
Yeah. Just a Sunday fun day.
Something to do.
Hike bushing. You can almost see the water down there.
You can hear the water.
You can smell the serenity.
Nathan and I would like to mention that this is a easy down and hard back kind of
Yeah,
walk.
this is an opposite walk. It's easy on the way there, but hard on the way back.
Rock pools?
Rock pools?
The other one, the Kondalilla Falls.
This way. I can't wait for it to break.
TJ, why did you say it?
That's where the leeches live, Nathan.
It won't break.
No, the ticks.
This track's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna rate this track twice as good as Gardeners Falls. I mean, 80 here. This is a 4.7 kilometre return track.
We haven't even really started though.
Yeah. You're watching too much Prison Break.
Or that.
Why are you so adventurous, Nathan? You made it?
VIP coming live from the VIP. Heard the nightlife, lost life without me. Both the feds in the state wanna see about me. The whole city got pissed, heard he got 3. That other rapper got a hit, but shouted he not out. Set the city on fire soon as he got free. The king back now. Raws don't even know how to act now. Hit the club, strippers getting naked before I sat down. Still ballin', money stacked tall the shack now. Still push a button to let the roof on the lack down. I'm on the road doing shows, put my Mac down. Mississippi to Philly, Albuquerque to Jacktown. Got the crowd yelling, hey, I'm a hot girl.
Come see dead people!
What have you found here? You look very tranquil.
I do, it's so peaceful.
Platypus, look out.
I'll be happy with either platypus or turtle.
No, I'd have to rate that.
Oh, careful.
You can see all the shit.
I thought you were going to continue with your story.
I'd rate that track easy.
Yeah, easy.
Easy if you're considering it.
Easy.
Better than Gardeners Falls.
The cave was cool.
Heaps of trees.
Trees.
Yeah, I didn't go in the cave.
Yeah, maybe next time. We're not there yet, TJ. It could get harder.
Is this a perfect drone takeoff today?
Basically, you got a D on it for drone takeoff. It doesn't get much better than a pad.
Is this the Kondalilla you went to?
I don't remember about having the bridge there, but...
There's another successful little hike to tick off.
Yeah, nice little Sunday fun day.
Yep.
How'd you go, Steve?
Good armrest?
Yeah, it's real good for my size.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is Nathan's new ride.
And
That's a
it's
cool
got
story.
room for my drink bottle.
It's a new whip.
New wheels?
New whip.
Never.
It's got a satellite TV.
Or just an iPad sitting on the dash. Stevie,
Yeah.
who should be this week's subscriber shout out?
I think Miller Wilson.
Definitely Miller Wilson this week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome channel. Check his channel out.
Hey, I'm a hot girl yelling. Hey, all the dope boys yelling. Hey, but the back gate yelling. Hey, I'm as good as you get with other southern rappers. rapper hooder than this. I got rich and I'm still in a hooligan clique. You be rapping by blow, I was moving the bricks. You talk about shooting out, now we're doing it, prick. If I hit you in the face, you gon' be suing me quick. Never catch another case of